Welcome to this introductory session on the Seafish Levy Portal. This video will show you how to request an account and also how to log in for the first time. If this is your first time visiting the portal, select New User Request. From here you'll be asked to enter several details about yourself and your business. The required fields are all marked with an asterisk. Once you've entered this data, click Submit. This information will be sent to the Seafish team, who will process your request. Please note this is done manually, so it may take a couple of days, and ensure you check your junk folder so you don't miss our response. When you've received our confirmation email, you'll be invited to sign into the platform. When prompted to enter your email, instead select the No Account Create One option. Then enter the email that you use to request access. If this email matches, you'll be sent a code to log in. This will appear in an email like the one shown on screen. Enter the verification code and then click Next. You'll then be prompted to create a password. When this is done, you'll be taken through to your profile page. From here you'll be able to populate this with information or edit information if needed, and in future you'll be able to sign in with the email address that you registered.